In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your unemployment taxes on TurboTax. If you received unemployment benefits during the year, it's important to report that income correctly on your tax return. TurboTax makes the process fairly straightforward, especially if you have your Form 1099-G in front of you before you begin. That form includes the key details you'll need to enter, so having it ready can save you time and help you avoid mistakes. To get started, sign into your TurboTax account and open the tax return you want to work on. Once you're inside your return, go to the Federal section and then select Income from the left-hand sidebar. This is where TurboTax organizes the different types of income you may need to report. Next, scroll down until you find the Unemployment section. When you see it, click Start if you haven't entered anything yet, or Revisit if you're going back to update existing information. TurboTax will then ask whether you received unemployment or paid family leave benefits. Choose Yes, I did to continue. At that point, you'll begin entering the details from your Form 1099-G. First, type in the payer's federal ID number exactly as it appears on the form, then click Continue. After that, enter the payer information requested by TurboTax, such as the payer name and address, along with the recipient information from the form. Take a moment here to be accurate, since even small entry errors can create issues later. Once that section is complete, continue entering the rest of the 1099-G details. This includes your total unemployment compensation, any federal tax withheld, any state tax withheld if listed, and any other applicable boxes shown on your form. The best approach is to move line by line and match what TurboTax asks for with what appears on the 1099-G. That can help reduce the chances of skipping a field or entering something in the wrong place. After everything has been entered, review the information carefully. Make sure the amounts match your form and that nothing looks incomplete. When you're satisfied, click Continue. TurboTax will then update your tax return based on the unemployment income you entered. Take a moment to review your refund or balance due so you can confirm the unemployment income has been included properly. This final check is helpful because it lets you see how the added income affects your overall tax situation before you move on. Thanks for watching.